Let's take a look at the audio settings on the DEH-X3500UI. We'll get there by pressing the volume control and moving to our audio menu. Here, loudness is turned off. We can turn loudness setting on, low, we can touch it again to go to medium, or we can touch it one more time to go to high. And if we touch the volume control one more time, the loudness is turned off. We'll turn over to the next setting, which is our subwoofer setting. Right now our subwoofer output is turned on and in a normal phase. If I touch the button, we can switch the phase to reverse. And if I touch it one more time, our subwoofer output is turned off. So I'm going to touch that to turn our subwoofer output on into its normal phase, and then turn the control over to our subwoofer control settings. Here I'll press in, and our subwoofer control settings, right now we're going to change the frequency. We can adjust the crossover frequency to whatever makes sense for us. And if we press enter, we can now boost or cut that crossover frequency for the subwoofer. And if we press enter one more time, we can change the slope of the crossover between 6 and 12 dB per octave. Now we'll press back, and we will turn over to our bass boost setting and press enter. Here we can add a little more bottom into the system or take it back down to 0. We'll back out of that menu and go over to our high pass filter settings. To switch the high pass filter on, just turn it to the right, and here we can choose our crossover for the high pass filter, and we press enter, and we can adjust the slope for the high pass filter. We can press the back button and move over to our fader. Here we can fade. Right now we're set at center. We can fade to the front or the rear by turning the volume control. When we're done making adjustments there, we can back out and move over to our balance control and press enter. And we're set at center. We can bounce over to the right or back to the left. When we're done making those adjustments, we can hit back, and we're back to our EQ settings. If you want some detailed information on EQ settings, take a look at the EQ video.